Good morning. It's June 10th, 2020. About 4 years since I brought the airplane home. So today is extraction day. Today's the day they're going to take the airplane up to the Simsbury Airport in Connecticut. So it's very exciting, very nerve-wracking, and let's see how the day progresses. First thing we have to do is wash the plane because it's very filthy. So, being early in June, there's a lot of pollen in the air, so I got into the tent garage and really made this plane very ugly. So for it to go to the airport, it needs to be wearing its best set of clothes, like a baby coming home from a hospital. So it's gonna be nice and clean. All right. Just getting it all cleaned up and getting all that nasty pollen off. Okay, the airplane's all washed, ready to go to the airport. Let's just do a walk around. Tab, brother. Old-fashioned rotating beacon. Cables for ailerons. Take to the window. That's the way we're going to ship it up to the airport. Let's just take a quick look in the interior. Everything looks good in here, high and tight. Instrument panel. My sweet new radio. There's the arm for my iPad. Ubiquitous ashtrays. This piece here is just sitting there for now. ELT, rear seat, and I gotta put that on. Alright, that should about do it. Alright, here we go. Cedar Lane, New Hartford, Connecticut, USA. Kind of white knuckling this thing. It's very close getting it out of the driveway. The width of the stabilizer was significant. Well, here we are going through the center of Simsbury, Connecticut, USA. So far, so good. We haven't brought home any overhead wires yet. No big tree branches. Everything looks good. Good. We are. Made it to the airport in one piece. Woohoo! Simsbury Airport. Well, it's been a big day, so we're in the hangar. There's the plane right there. Looking pretty good. Well, we got a nice hangar here. So, well, that's all she wrote for today. It was the big move day. I probably want to go home and take a nap. I'm so tired from the stress. All right. Later.